is Fox 31 News. We're on it.
Welcome back, guys. It's 7:54. In your tech today, I have a tech review for you. I want to show you this little camera, if we can get a shot of this thing. This is a home security camera called the Blue Rams 360 security camera, and I can actually move it around. Take a look. So if you're not home, for example, if you have this in a living room, you can search the room for your dog. It'll detect motion and record clips like a lot of these cameras do. It's pretty cool. And on the bottom here, real quick, I'll show you as well. It's got little mounting holes, so you could mount it on a wall, mount it on the ceiling. It does have to be plugged in for USB power. And take a look. This is some video of the app that you use on your phone to, again, move the camera around, record video clips, check out if it's detected motion. Again, if you're away from home, maybe you can check to see if the dog is up to, make sure nobody's in your home. Use it on the porch to make sure you don't have porch pirates. All the things you would use these security cameras for. I like this camera. It's not 4K, but they say it's 2K, so that means it's better than 1080p.
Yeah.
And I will say that the video looked really good when I was testing it out. It's got night vision infrared, so it can see even in the dark, which is cool as well. You know, other cameras like the Wyze cameras, the Google Nest cameras, the Amazon Blink cameras, all great options, but it's hard to beat the price on this little camera here. And it even has, if you take a look at this, there's an SD card slot. Not sure if we can pop that up. There's an SD card slot so you can record clips locally as well, but it's hidden underneath there. Isn't that cool?
Oh, yeah, I mean, that's quite the price tag for what you get out of it.
Yeah, I was surprised.
And I like that you can move it around.
And it'll